Look at this mess. It's time for a cleanup. Okay, so I have some stains on this table over here from spray paint, as you can see. So now I'm gonna try nail polish, because nail polish almost removes anything from experience. So let's see how this does. Did I say nail polish? Nail polish removal. That's it. Time to make some coffee. So that was a good start of the day. It's always hard to do that cleaning of the garage, because I know that in a few weeks it's gonna look terrible again, probably. So it was a good clean out. There's something about cleaning that makes you feel good, doesn't it? I feel good now. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.